Good morning and welcome to Torremolinos. Today we're going to have a wander around Parque Bateria and see if there's anything good to take images of. It's quite a large park and bang right in the centre of Torremolinos. So we'll get the 360 camera out, have a wander around and see what kind of photos we can get with the Panasonic FZ82. Big shout out to Wandering With Watto, who kindly sent me this hat in one of his previous videos. If you're not familiar with Watto's channel, then he does a lot of vlogs around the UK, so there's plenty of places to visit, things like that, and you'll get to see some fantastic locations for photography. Anyway, let's crack on and have a wander around the park. So as you can see behind me, we've got the fountain there. I thought I might as well set the tripod up and see if we can get some long exposures. I'm not sure there is enough volume of water in that fountain though to make too much of a difference over a regular sort of 4-second exposure. I'm going to stick the ND filter on and see what we can get. If those photographs are any good, I'll be sticking them on screen now. So the park's absolutely rammed with sculptures and little follies and lots of fountains like this. Not all of them are working and got the water flowing, but they're all interesting. I enjoy photographing things like this, so that's all great. We're about to go over to the tower and have a look from out there, and also the cannon, which is where the park gets its name. It was a battery, a gun battery, to protect the whole of Torremolinos from attack. So guys, we're getting an absolutely fantastic view here of Torremolinos from this viewing platform. Well worth a visit if you're popping past the park. Pop in, have a look, take in this massive vista here, and yeah, well worth popping into this little park, I think. For those of you who didn't manage those stairs or don't fancy managing those stairs, there is a lift behind me. As you can hear, it does make a fair bit of noise. Hopefully everybody's okay inside there. So guys, hope you can hear me over the waterfall behind, but I've decided to do another long exposure, trying some shots with this fountain. Lovely turquoise lake. It's a man-made lake, really shallow, just for boating and things, and the colours I thought worked really well. Nice bright blue sky, lovely green trees in the background, and we've got that fountain there. So this is probably going to be the last shot. As I say, I'm going to try a few different exposures, up to about 25 seconds, anywhere from 4 to 25, and if those shots have come out, I'll put them on screen now. So if you've enjoyed this vlog, as I say, please do give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, why not subscribe? You'll get to see more photography and more places like this in future videos, as well as videos from the UK. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.